Categorical information. Categorical information refers to data that indicates belonging to specific categories or groups rather than being represented by quantitative values. Categorical information is used to describe characteristics or attributes that cannot be represented numerically. Categorical information can be classified into different categories based on its nature. Here are some examples of common categorical information. Color. Colors like red, blue, and green are categorical information. They are not represented by numerical values, but rather serve as categories to distinguish different colors. Country. Country names or regions are categorical information. Different countries have distinct attributes and characteristics that are difficult to represent using numerical values. Gender. Male, female, other, and similar gender information are also categorical. Gender is not a numerical value, but rather an attribute categorized into different groups. Product category. Clothing, shoes, electronics, food, and other product categories are categorical information. Each category has different characteristics and purposes. Rating levels. Low, medium, high, and other rating levels are also categorical information. They are used to express evaluations of certain attributes, rather than being represented numerically. These categorical types of data are often transformed into dummy variables, converting them into numerical data, for purposes like machine learning modeling. For instance, in the case of gender as categorical information, you can introduce dummy variables such as assigning 1 to male and 0 to female. This facilitates handling gender information in machine learning models more effectively.
What is dummy variables? Dummy variables, also known as indicator variables or binary variables, are a technique used in statistics and data analysis to represent categorical data as numerical data. Categorical data, which represents different categories or groups, cannot be directly used in many mathematical models that require numerical inputs. To overcome this limitation, dummy variables are introduced. A dummy variable is created for each category within a categorical variable, and it takes the value of 1 or 0 to indicate the presence or absence of a particular category. In other words, a dummy variable encodes the categorical information into binary values, making it possible to include categorical data in various models such as regression, machine learning algorithms, and statistical analyses. For example, consider a categorical variable color with 3 categories: red, blue, and green. To use this categorical variable in a regression analysis, you would create 3 dummy variables, one for red, one for blue, and one for green. If an observation belongs to the red category, the corresponding dummy variable for red would take the value of 1, while the others would be 0. Dummy variables are particularly useful when dealing with nominal categorical variables where there is no inherent order or hierarchy between the categories. They allow you to include categorical information in models that require numerical inputs without imposing any unintended ordinal relationships among the categories. Dummy variables are a way to convert categorical data into a format suitable for mathematical models, enabling the inclusion of categorical information in analyses that would otherwise require numerical data. Thank you for watching.